Alright, let's talk about the Rolex Bruce Wayne. One of the most debated, most sought after, and in my opinion, one of the best looking GMT-Master out there. Is it better than the Batman? Is it worth the resale price? And should you buy one? Let's break it down. The black and gray Showroom bezel is the biggest distinguishing feature of the Bruce Wayne. Some people confuse it with the Batman, which has a black and blue bezel. Functionally though, both bezels work identically. The two-tone split is there to help distinguish between day and night in the second time zone. So if you're choosing between them, it really comes down to whether you prefer a higher contrast with the Batman or a more muted look with the Bruce Wayne right here. Inside the case, you got the Rolex caliber 3285 movement. This is Rolex famous automatic movements, offering a 70-hour power reserve and chronology escapement for better efficiency. But the most important feature here is the true GMT functionality. Unlike a collar GMT, the local hour hand moves independently, which is extremely useful for frequent travelers because that means you can adjust to the new time zone without stopping the movement or affecting the minutes or second hand. The case is 40mm, but the lug-to-lug measurement is 48, which makes it wear slightly larger than some other Rolex models in this size category. Say if you put next to a Submariner, you could see the Bruce Wayne being just a tiny bit larger in size. The thickness is about 12mm, so while it's not overly bulky, it does have a bit more wrist presence than, say, a Datejust. If you have a smaller wrist, you might want to try it on first, as the bracelet can make it wear slightly larger due to the weight drapes. On the bracelet, the Jubilee is my personal favorite. Compared to the Oyster, the Jubilee is lighter, it's more flexible, has smaller lengths, making it more comfortable for long-term wear. However, it does make the watch feel less like a traditional tool watch, which might be a factor if you are looking for something super rugged. Another consideration is the polished central links, which pick up scratches more easily than the brushed finish of the Oyster, so be mindful of that. In terms of water resistance, it has the trip lock screw down crown. It's rated up to 100 meter or 330 feet. That's fine for going into the shower with you or the swimming pool, but it's definitely not a dive watch. If you're looking at a dive watch, you're looking at the Submariner or the Sea Dweller for that. Now let's talk about price. Retail is about $11,000. Resale price ranges from $18,000 to $22,000. If you're buying it purely for the investment, the market data suggests that it's a safe hold, though short-term price swings do happen, as always. It's worth noting that some GMT-Master models have held strong resale value over the years, and the Bruce Wayne is one of the best ones in doing so. So, should you buy one? The answer is yes, because all the GMT-Masters are fantastic really, but this one is very popular amongst enthusiasts and investors alike, which means it's going to hold its value very well. So if you already have your eyes on the Bruce Wayne, you like the color scheme, the functionality, everything, then consider this your green light, because it's going to hold its value anyway. Comment down below what kind of watch you want to see next. And as always, stay timeless.